Welcome to our course on property sales and housing regulations. We'll explore the legal frameworks for selling private properties and the regulations governing foreign worker housing. Understanding these aspects is crucial for compliance and effective practice in real estate. Let's delve into the essentials of caveat emptor and seller's duty in property transactions. Caveat emptor, meaning let the buyer beware, places the onus on buyers to inspect properties for defects. Patent defects are visible issues like cracks, while latent defects are hidden, such as internal structural problems. Sellers must disclose known latent defects if asked, or risk misrepresentation claims. Misrepresentation can lead to legal consequences, emphasizing the importance of transparency in property transactions. The option to purchase, OTP, and sales and purchase, S&P agreements are crucial in property transactions. The option to purchase grants buyers a 14-day exclusivity to decide on purchase, while the sales and purchase finalizes the sale. Legal requisitions and caveats protect buyer interests. Handling transaction monies lawfully is essential to avoid legal issues. The Building Maintenance and Strata Management Act, BMSMA, outlines the roles of management corporations, and subsidiary proprietors in strata-titled properties. Management corporations manage common property, enforce bylaws, and maintain financial records. Bylaws regulate resident behavior, and resolutions guide property management decisions. Understanding these elements is crucial for effective property management and compliance with legal standards. The Residential Property Act limits foreign ownership of residential properties, requiring approval for certain types. The Land Acquisition Act allows compulsory land acquisition for public use, with compensation. The Bankruptcy Act, now under the Insolvency, Restructuring, and Dissolution Act, protects Housing and Development Board flats from creditors if at least one owner is a Singapore citizen, ensuring housing security during financial distress. Foreign worker housing must comply with statutory requirements from authorities like Urban Redevelopment Authority, Building and Construction Authority, and National Environment Agency. Approved housing types include purpose-built dormitories and factory-converted dormitories. Compliance with Ministry of Manpower regulations is crucial to avoid penalties under the Employment of Foreign Manpower Act. Ensuring proper accommodation is vital for legal and ethical employment practices. The Foreign Employee Dormitories Act, FEDA, now includes dormitories with 7 or more beds, enhancing regulatory standards. Employers must comply with the Employment of Foreign Manpower Act, EFMA, to ensure proper housing. Due diligence under the Immigration Act is crucial to prevent illegal immigration, requiring checks on tenants' legal status. These measures aim to improve living conditions and legal compliance in foreign worker housing. In conclusion, staying informed and compliant with legal requirements is crucial for real estate professionals. Apply the knowledge gained to ensure adherence to property sales and foreign worker housing regulations. This will enhance your professional practice and contribute to a more regulated and ethical real estate environment.